Welcome, everyone. Think of me today not just as your host, but as your personal coach. We're diving right into this explainer, which is basically your ultimate orientation session. We're going to kickstart your new fitness journey by breaking down exactly how to organize, track, and absolutely crush your goals. Getting fit really doesn't have to be overwhelming, and let me tell you, with the right system, it becomes an incredibly rewarding process.
So, I've got to ask you, are you ready to step into the gym? For a lot of us, especially if it's your first time or you're returning after a long break, the gym floor can look like this intimidating maze of heavy metal machines. But what if you walked through those doors with absolute clarity, knowing exactly what to do, how to do it, and why you're doing it? That literally changes everything.
Okay, let's dive into this. Your secret weapon is the Ultimate Fitness Planner. This isn't just some basic workout log. It's designed to be your complete, all-in-one wellness companion. We're going to use this tool to seamlessly organize your gym activity, your nutrition, and your mental well-being. It honestly takes all the guesswork out of getting fit.
Here is our game plan for today. We'll be covering 1. Finding your fitness why. 2. Tracking stats and goals. 3. Logging your daily workouts. 4. Nutrition and wellness habits. And 5. Organizing your monthly schedule.
All right, step 1. Finding your fitness why. This is the emotional core of your journey.
Before we even touch a dumbbell or step foot on a treadmill, we've got to start with your motivation. The planner opens with a section dedicated specifically to your why. Having a deep, personal motivation is exactly what's going to keep you going on those days when the workouts get really tough, or, the couch just looks a little too inviting. You don't want to just write down to lose weight. You want it to be visceral, something like, my why, to feel strong, energetic, and confident in my everyday life. When you write this down on the very first page of your planner, it anchors absolutely everything else you do. It's your personal mission statement.
Moving on to step 2. Tracking stats and goals. Establishing your baseline.
Now, what's really interesting here is how we transition from emotional motivation into cold, hard data. Look at how clearly the planner draws a line between where you currently are and where you want to be. On one side, you'll log your starting stats, like today's date, your current weight, and your body fat percentage. And right next to it, you lock in your goal stats, your target date, goal weight, and goal body fat percentage. By putting these side by side, your objective becomes immediately real and, more importantly, measurable.
But here is a massive tip for beginners. Please don't just rely on the scale. The planner brilliantly includes a body measurements tracker right below your goals. Tracking the circumference of your neck, chest, waist, hips, thighs, and arms gives you a much more accurate picture of your actual progress. Often, you might be building muscle while losing fat, so the scale might not budge at all, but your waistline is shrinking. This tracker is the proof that your hard work is paying off.
All right, section 3, logging your daily workouts. This is all about tactical execution on the gym floor.
When you walk into the gym with your planner open, you are on a mission. And hey, we've got this. Let's break down exactly how you fill it out so you feel completely confident. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. Step 1, write down the exercise you're performing. Step 2, record the weight you're lifting in pounds. And remember, always prioritize your form over heavy weights to stay safe and avoid injuries. Only lift what you can actually control. Step 3, record the number of reps you completed for sets 1 through 4. Writing all this down ensures you're constantly challenging yourself and practicing progressive overload, which really just means doing a little bit better than you did last time.
Let's invent a quick scenario. Imagine it's Monday, and you're sitting at the chest press machine. Under exercise, you just write chest press. Under set 1, say you lift 40 pounds for 10 reps, so you'd literally just write 40/10. In set 2, maybe you get a bit tired and only do 8 reps, so you write 40/8. It's super simple. Below the weightlifting section, there's also a cardio tracker. So if you hop on the treadmill, you'd log the activity as treadmill, the time as 20 minutes, the distance as 1 mile, and whatever calories the machine says you burned. It really is that straightforward.
On to section 4, nutrition and wellness habits, fueling the body and mind.
So, the crucial point here is that what happens in the gym is really only half the battle. All that incredible effort you put into lifting weights and doing cardio must connect directly to healthy eating and holistic self-care. You just can't out-train a bad diet, and your body desperately needs proper fuel to recover and build muscle. Throughout the planner, you're going to see these distinct icons, like the apple representing nutrition and the flower representing wellness and self-care. It's a beautiful, constant visual reminder that fitness isn't just about sweating, it's about nourishing yourself from the inside out. And here's how you organize that fuel.
The Nutrition and Meal Plan page allows you to set a daily calorie goal and track your macros. So that's your protein, carbs, and fats. Below that is this fantastic weekly meal planner where you can map out your breakfast, lunch, and dinner from Monday all the way through Sunday. Taking just 10 minutes on a Sunday to plan your meals here will absolutely save you from making those impulsive, unhealthy choices during a super busy work week.
But wellness extends even further than food. The planner features a healthy habit tracker with checkboxes for every single day of the week. Look at the habits they highlight here. Drinking 8 glasses of water for hydration, reading 10 pages a day to stimulate your mind, and doing stretching or yoga to keep your body flexible and injury-free. Checking these boxes daily creates this powerful psychological momentum that spills over into everything else you do.
Finally, Section 5. Organizing your monthly schedule, the macro organization. Let's zoom out to the big picture and see how this builds a cohesive master plan for your entire month. For a beginner, simplicity is absolutely key. You might map it out so Monday's focus is legs, where you plan out exercises like squats for 3 sets of 10, followed by 20 minutes of cardio. Then Wednesday might be a back focus with rows. By filling this out at the very start of the month, you wake up knowing exactly what your fitness job is for that day. There's no hesitation, just execution.
To tie the whole shebang together, each month features an overview and to-do page. This includes spaces for your top monthly goals, important dates, and my absolute favorite part, the master to-do list. If you're trying to build a brand new fitness lifestyle, you really have to dump all those swirling tasks like buy protein powder, wash gym clothes, prep the chicken, get them out of your brain and onto paper. This page provides absolute mental clarity so you can just focus on the actual work.
We've covered everything from finding your deepest motivation to logging your very first set of exercises. You literally have the ultimate system right at your fingertips. So I'm going to leave you with this. Your planner is open. The blank pages are waiting for your effort. What will you conquer on day 1? Let's get out there and make it happen.